In this video, I'm gonna show you how to write on a picture in Microsoft Word. So firstly, you need to insert a picture. So click on insert, then picture, and select your picture from your device. Now resize this picture as your requirement. Now double click on your picture, and in the format section, click on this drop down, wrap text, and in here select behind text. You need to select behind text and start to write. So before start, make the size some different and color different and start to type. That's it. So it's useful to write any text on your image, and also you can move your picture where you want to add this text. So if you will select blind, so if you will select behind the text, so you can move your picture as your requirement. That's it. So like this, friends, we can add text on picture in MS Word document. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video useful for you or not.